Hey guys, my fever is broke, so I'm gonna come in here, and I know I look a mess, but I have a lady. She said that she can't grow plants, and she just wanted something on her back patio that it looks real, but it's actually not. So I told her I would kind of help her out some. So it's kind of like a DIY, but you guys know. I'm just gonna kind of come in here and kind of show you. All you gotta do is go to Dollar Tree, grab you a pot. Now, if you live in a windy area, you can put sand in the bottom of this, or any kind of fillers, like these little balls. You can stick those in, like so. You know, they come in different colors. But I'm not going to put that in there. I'm just going to kind of show you. And if you have some little glasses, you can fill the little glasses up. I'll go ahead and fill this one up with some white balls. And kind of show you that you can use the little, I think you can buy these glasses at Dollar Tree, I think. But we'll start off with this pot. All you gotta do, get you some greenery, okay? I'm just going to stick this in here like this, okay? Nothing fancy. And then, she wanted to do it cheap, so I told her I'll show you how. You can get these flowers here, too, at Dollar Tree. The great big long ones. All you have to do is just come in here and clip part of this, thing off. I hope I'm strong enough to do this. Just come in here, do it in the colors that you have for your back patio. I'm just using these as an example because I already had these. I didn't have to get out and go buy any, but you kind of just want to, let's see, we'll make it where it goes out like this. And just kind of fill in. Grab you some of the little pansies, poppies, whatever you want to call them, and separate them, and then clip them. And you guys I need some new little clippers. But she asked me if I could check and show her, because she was going to have a little party. And I'm like, well, I can show you some little ideas. I mean, you don't necessarily have to use those. You can grab you some of these little vases like this, and you can kind of come in here and fill them the way you want, put them at the height that you want, and make your little arrangement. Hold on. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut these off real quick and show you. But hope you guys had a great Memorial Day. Your girl has been sick. I guess it's from the peanut butter, and it seems at night is when I start running the fever. And I went and took a nap and woke up. My fever broke. So me grab these, see if these will cut these better. But if you don't want to cut them, you can bend it. You can just bend this down if you don't want to cut them. Alright. All you gotta do is come in here, start filling in where you want your flowers, and just make it yours. That's all you gotta do. I mean, use what colors your theme is and go from there. But you can add rocks. You can take and add more greenery. You can add these little succulents that you can get from Hobby Lobby and Michael's. I had got these in one of those grab bags. You can grab some of these succulents and you can hot glue these little bad boys on here. And I'll show you. I didn't feel like getting out the glue gun, guys, so just gonna kind of show you. Just a quick put together little succulents. And if you want to fill this ball up, you can. And just kind of set it down on a table somewhere, or put it in a vase, or you can put it in this one. And you'll have it like that. You can keep adding more to it. Let's see, we'll add a few more to that one, and I'll show you that one. But if you don't want to cut them, all you have to do is bend your stem. If you want to keep the flowers and use them somewhere else, and just kind of spread them out and bend them however you want to. Let's see. I don't know what flower that is. If you want to add a little pop of color, grab some more flowers, throw in there. You'll be fine, guys. Just make it your own. Find out what colors you want, and it'll work. If you don't like the way it looks, take it apart, redo it. And there you go for that one. And you just, like, I have a white one here. Y'all hear somebody snoring. It's Cujo over here. His allergies is bothering him too. But he been staying close to his mom. He knows his mom ain't feeling good. But just come in here and put however you want. I don't like the pink flowers and that. And you guys know you can get more greenery and fold it. Come in here. And just kind of add more to it as you want. Don't take and, you know, feel like that you have to do all flowers. If you got greenery, throw that in there. If you're wanting pink flowers, grab pink flower bud, kind of come in here and kind of, you know, make that your little accent piece. Come in with the other one here on the back side, you know, kind of work it around in the in your flower. Always make sure, if you're gonna see it from every direction, make sure you put your flowers evenly all the way around. But if you're just gonna have it sitting on a table and you're gonna have the back side, worry about what everybody's gonna see here in the front and the top. You don't have to worry about what's going on in the back. But I hope this kind of helped you, because I know it's been a while since I've done any kind of crafts or anything for you guys, but I have not been well, and I just want you guys to know that I'm still here. I'm just taking a little bit of a break, but I thought, you know, I would come on and kind of do this little DIY for her, kind of give her some inspiration, because I know sometimes, you know, when you take and you're wanting something and you can't wait, you know, say you're having a party, say you're having a get-together, and you want someone to help you, give you some ideas, and that YouTuber doesn't get back in touch with you. Well, even though I was sick, I still got in touch with you, girl. But I just hope and pray that that kind of helps. Now, these are those flowers, stems that I got from in the Michael's bag thing. And you can just kind of come in here, because these got a smell to them. And you just kind of stick some around, add some flowers, add some succulents, whatever. And just kind of give yourself a little bit of color. I mean, you don't really have to be perfect on how you decide you want to put your flowers. You can sit back and look at it, and you can just kind of make it simple. And as you can see, this here is as simple can be. I mean, you can grab you 4 or 5 little succulents and stick them in a little vase, and voila. And I hope this kind of helped you out some. And I wanted to let you know that you can buy, instead of buying those big bundles of leaves, it says this one here is like $4.99, but you can take some of those the styrofoam, floral foam, and you can kind of stick these around and bend them however you want to, in a vase or in a pot. And you can kind of stick it around, make it look where, you know, it looks really nice. You don't have to be, you don't have to take and worry about what colors you're using. Just go by your color thing. Colors that you like, not colors that I like. Because my colors may not be the same colors that you like. So I'm just trying to give you a little bit of idea of, just don't give up. Grab something, throw it together, and it will work out. You'll be surprised how it turns out. Alright guys, I love you. God bless. Stay safe. And I hope this here helped you. But you don't have to go and buy expensive vases and expensive pots to make something look nice. You can take a regular pot, paint it the color you want. Take and wrap some wallpaper. Stick on shelf paper on the pot. If you can't find the color pot that you want, just find that paper. And if you're gonna stick these flowers, the artificial flowers, outside, I had a lady ask me back last year, and like I told her, take your artificial flowers, spray them with some clear spray paint, and make sure it's clear, and spray a coat on there, and that'll keep those plants waterproof, and it'll also keep them keeping their color. You don't necessarily have to have real plants to have decor outside where it looks nice. Just make sure that you do have it weighed down if it's going to be out where the wind's blowing or storms or anything, guys, because you know how this weather is. It's kind of, this year's been weird. But just make it your own. I mean, you can take and add rocks to it to kind of put some weight to it. Add sand to it. You can get all that at Dollar Tree. I know it's not $1 anymore. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this helped you. But just grab some flowers that are your colors and just work with it. You know, put a few flowers in there and see if it looks right to you. If it don't, take the flowers out, redo it. You can use that floral foam on the inside and then put some more rocks in there if you want to. Just make sure, if it's going to be out in the weather, put some, if the holes are not in the pot, put some holes in it, because you don't want your stuff smelling like mildew. Alright guys, love you. God bless. Stay safe until I get to feeling better.